After braving a tough battle to restore a frozen hot springs, Joe came out on top and became the Lord of the Springs. It seemed like things had finally thawed over. But why is the crew now lost in an icy tundra, shivering through sub-zero temperatures?
It's so chilly! How do we get here?
Oh, are we there yet? I'm freezing. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna pass out.
I'm afraid it's curtains for us. This is where we meet our end.
Just a bit further.
Oh
The heavens have forsaken. They've forsaken me. Huh?
Wait a second! Is that Gomamon? And Joe? What are you all doing? You're gonna catch colds out here! Huh?